Welcome to GeniLab. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Did you know you can become a full-stack developer with JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language which can be used for both front-end and back-end development. With JavaScript, you can create dynamic and responsive web pages, validate form entries, send and fetch data from server-side, create mobile and desktop applications. To become a full-stack JavaScript developer, here is the roadmap. Start by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Learn frameworks like AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js for front-end development. For back-end, learn frameworks like Node.js, Express.js, or Core.js. And also learn database systems like MongoDB, PostgreSQL, or MySQL. Popular full-stack JavaScript frameworks and libraries include Mean and Man. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel